Good afternoon. I'm going to talk about this Rubik Cube, the 4x4. I've been playing with it, and I learned something yesterday about switching two adjacent cubes, center cubes, switching them, getting them in the proper place. They show on the internet a series of algorithms by Mountain Scooter that work great, but I would always get lost halfway through the whole scenario because he has too many complicated algorithms. But upon following his directions, I used the first part of it, which is this part right here, where you go and then bring that back down again and swing it around. If you notice, what he did is he creates a three-way wedge, or so to speak, and we have a blind side on the other side. And if you're familiar with the 3x3, you can take the bottom, bring it to the top on each side, and move it over to the side, bring it back down, around, back up, and straighten it out, and your cube is solved. Much easier than running complicated patterns on the right side.